we're going to go ahead and talk about the proportions of your character, how it lives and how it breathes on the canvas. And whenever you're creating an NFT, especially one in a square space, some some NFT creators, like they will, let's say, this would be like a bad example. This is what you're not supposed to do. You create an NFT and he lives in this space, but look how zoomed up it is on this character. This does not allow you enough room to add, like, let's say, add a hat, ears, and maybe an arrow through the head. Like, it's really hard to get a lot of traits on this character. In fact, it's almost like it comes out of the canvas and off of the screen, and it's just not a good way of looking at this. It doesn't give the piece a lot of room to breathe. So what I mean by breathing is, let me go ahead and bring this back. You want to take advantage of the actual canvas that you're using. So I'm using square. So for square, bringing in these corners and starting my character smack dab in the center would actually give me enough room to be able to add whatever I want to him. So let me go ahead and we'll freehand this guy. Just give me just 2 seconds and bring him down just a little bit, blow him up a little bit, because I want him to be the centerpiece of this square. And the cool thing about leaving what they call negative space around your character is that if I were to throw a little hat on him, or I gave him some cool little shades, a nose and a smile and little things down the road, I have plenty of room. Maybe I wanted to add a halo. I have enough room to do a halo on top of him. A button down, a sweater. I got enough room to kind of expand outside of my character's limitations, whereas the other one was so zoomed up, you can't do it. So always keep that in mind whenever you're starting your character, that make sure you have plenty of room for him to breathe in his space that he's in.